Are you an anatomy teacher who's having trouble getting your students to reach their full understanding of the human body?
Are you a biology student who's struggling with being able to visualize different parts of the body with only having access to two-dimensional images within the textbook?
Then this app is perfect for you.
Anatomy360 is an app that bridges the gap of lacking visualization and provides a tool for students to effectively explore different parts of the body in an interactive three-dimensional way.
For getting started, you can see the student has the choice to select the system of the body they wish to explore. Choose different parts of the body to see further information, as you see here with the structure and functions of a muscle.
Students can click on different parts of the skeleton to see zoomed-in images at multiple angles to really explore a three-dimensional aspect of the skeleton.
In other areas, students can choose to view further in-depth diagrams of internal parts of the body.
All of these features allow students to study the body beyond the two-dimensional aspect of images in a textbook. This allows for interactive learning and is a perfect study tool to keep right in your phone.